Vivint is a high-end security system with smart features out the wazoo. But this smart home player is now moving from the home to the driveway with the Vivint Car Guard. Car Guard is a vehicle GPS tracker that watches your car's location, driving details, and more. But for a $200 device plus $10 a month, we had to see how smart this thing really was. So I installed one in my car to test it out. If you like this video and want to see more testing, check out our game of hide and seek with the Moto Safety. You can also go to Safewise to read a full review of Vivint Car Guard and see our lineup of the best GPS vehicle trackers. We drop those links in the below if you want to check those out. To test the Car Guard, we installed it into my Subaru Forester, and with the help of my partner, Scott, he drove it to and from work during the week. Don't worry, he was in on it. While he was off at work, I checked the Car Guard for any notifications and details. Like many other GPS vehicle trackers, Car Guard only takes a few minutes to install. It uses the OBD-II port under your steering wheel to read things like your vehicle's health and location. Basically, if you can put a thumb drive into a computer, you can install Car Guard. Place the SIM card into the tray on the side of the Car Guard. There's a pin included in the box that will help you out with that. Once the card is in the tray, pop it back in and check the app. Next, plug the Car Guard into your OBD-II port under your steering wheel. From there, follow the app to set your location and any rules. And you're done. Like any GPS device, Car Guard's main job is to track location. The Vivint app provides a basic map and history of past trips. When the Car Guard starts or parks, you can get notifications, but if that gets annoying after a while, you can change the rules. We kept it on because it's just good testing. Once the car started moving though, we noticed the app getting kind of funky. While watching my car in action, the app had a hard time keeping up. The car on the map would start and stop and start again. Unless maybe that's how Scott was driving, but I doubt it. We also took the car out of town to see how it would work in rural areas. Once we parked an hour out of the city, the map accurately tracked our location. Along with location, you get trip info like max speed, duration of the trip, fuel efficiency, and any idling that might have happened. You can also see instances of harsh braking or rapid acceleration. If you're watching teenagers hit the road for the first time, this is a helpful feature. We tested the braking and speeding features out for ourselves, and Vivint caught most of the instances, but not 100%. The feature I was really excited to test was Disturbance Alerts. It's a way to let you know if your car is being towed, moved, stolen, or bumped. According to Vivint, if someone steals your car or tows it or even bumps it in the parking lot, you'll get a notification because of this. To test it out, we rocked the car and jiggled the handles and really anything shy of actually damaging the car. And while that didn't work exactly, we did get disturbance alerts when we opened the car doors or trunk and bumped into a couple trash cans. Vivint Car Guard also works with Vivint Smart Home. That is, if you have the gear. You can connect lights, cameras, and even your garage door opener to the Car Guard. Unfortunately, I didn't have any of these on hand, so I wasn't able to test them. If a bad actor starts messing with your car in the driveway, you can turn on the lights and camera to scare them off. So after weeks of testing Vivint Car Guard, what did we think? Here's a quick rundown of what we liked and what we didn't like. Vivint Car Guard accurately tracked our vehicle, even into the woods. It also gave me helpful information about my car, things like diagnostics, fuel efficiency, and dangerous driving alerts. And if I had a Vivint system to pair it with, I bet I'd like that too. But Car Guard's live tracking wasn't great, and the disturbance alerts were kind of fickle. Oh, and we also mentioned it's $200 plus $10 a month, right? So my 2 cents, Vivint Car Guard is a helpful extra layer of protection for your own vehicle or any young drivers in your family. But it's really only worth it if you already have a Vivint system. We found plenty of other GPS vehicle trackers that were a portion of the price and had very similar features. That said, if you intend to use a GPS vehicle tracker for anyone other than yourself, please, 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 just let them know. It's better to have a tricky conversation than lose their trust later on, especially if it's your kids. And that's it for me on Vivint Car Guard. Thanks for watching. We have a ton of stuff on Safewise about vehicle trackers. You can check out our lineup of our favorites, as well as a full review on Vivint Car Guard. And if you want more videos, you can check out a game of hide and seek with myself and a moto safety unit. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more from us here on YouTube. And if there's any devices out there you want us to test, let us know in the comments. We'd be happy to try them out. But for now, stay safe.